I'm from Vasai, and I got to know about this clinic about in my one of my friend. He told me about this clinic, and I just searched on the internet and all that how this clinic is, and I was suffering hair fall from last 4 years. And later I saw on the YouTube also, on the Instagram also, Facebook also, and their website also. I found this clinic very nice, so I came over here. So yesterday I had my hair transplant surgery. It was very nice, all very friendly environment. They did a treatment very well of mine, and I'm very happy with this new roots. Thank you, Nick.